Standard Chartered Priority Banking Visa Infinite Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. The Standard Chartered Priority Banking Visa Infinite card might sound exclusive, but most people get this wrong. They assume high fees automatically mean low value. The surprising truth is that the pricing and benefits are designed for premium banking clients who want rewards, travel perks, and financial flexibility. The card typically has an annual fee, often around, but this fee can be waived for clients maintaining a specific banking relationship with Standard Chartered. You won't believe how much value this unlocks. Benefits include airport lounge access, travel insurance, concert services, and reward points that can be redeemed for flights, hotels, or merchandise. Interest rates are competitive for a premium card, and the card offers flexible repayment options. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the fee. They overlook the cashback, reward points, and travel protections that often outweigh the annual cost. In conclusion, the Standard Chartered Priority Banking Visa Infinite card pricing is all about premium value. By leveraging rewards, fee waivers, and travel perks, you go from zero to pro in maximizing what you get for your money while enjoying a luxury banking experience.